Hello, BioGang. Lori here again. I just wanted to just send you a quick message about assignments and schedule. So here I am in our Fast Track College Biology course in D2L, and I'm going to click on the content browser and just blow open the units for the course. In the Welcome unit, you'll see that I've posted a schedule, and the schedule lists the dates, the due dates for all the units and the assignments included. So unit assignments are due by the due date for each unit. So you can see here on the right I have all the due dates for the units and the assignments within the units. Please feel free to submit assignments before the due date. And you can submit future assignments in like future units. So for instance, if you wanted to if you did the characteristics of life assignment before the due date and then you wanted to move on to unit 2, um, before the Saturday, May the 3rd, you can do that. The only thing that I would caution is not to get too far ahead of the course, because things like class discussions we need to do as a group, and you might miss information, such as videos and so forth that you'll need. So don't get too far ahead. Try and stick to the schedule. Late assignments will be given a 0 as a mark. However, all assignments must be completed with a 60% or more in order to pass the course. So if an assignment is submitted late, it will get a mark of 0. I, however, will correct the assignment and give it back to you, and if it's uh, for the pass in the course. So you have to complete all assignments. If you receive less than a 60% on an assignment, you will have to resubmit. However, your original mark will be the one that we input for your marks. But again, all assignments have to be completed with a 60% or above to achieve the credit in the course. This also includes the tests, and you'll see that there are 3 tests in the course. Again, to pass the test, it's a 60%. Less than a 60% will keep the original mark. However, you will either have to redo the test to gain the 60, or you will have to submit a mini assignment, and that will be at my discretion, and I'll consider how you did in the test to decide the course of action. Your tests are done on campus in the campus testing centers, and you should schedule those appointments very ASAP, as it will help you to schedule your studies. So look at the due dates for your tests on your schedule, and then make your appointments accordingly. You can do the tests on the day that they are due. And if you decide to wait to make your appointments, please make sure that you call at least a week in advance, in order to ensure your appointment. And to find those proctoring contacts or those campus testing centers, go into NSCC info and then select proctoring contacts, and all of the campus testing centers will come up. The test is multiple choice done through D2L, so you'll need your username and password. It's a 2-hour test, and it's a closed book test. If you go back into your content browser, I'm just going to bring us back here, and you go down to Unit Resources at the very bottom. You'll see that there are test guides, study guides. Here's study guide for test 1, study guide for test 2, and study guide for test 3. And I encourage everyone to print off those study guides and use that to focus your studies from your textbook and mastering biology, and that will really help you to in your studies for your tests. Um, if you find that you're not going to be able to make a deadline because due to illness or work schedules, please let me know 24 hours in advance of the deadline so that we can work out an alternate schedule. If you're any less time than that, and then it will be difficult to grant you an extension. So please just be conscientious and let me know 24 hours in advance of a deadline if you need to have an extension. Otherwise, as it is a fast track course, you need to keep to the schedule in order to complete the course on time, because part two will begin in June, and we all need to get you to that point. So, again, thank you for watching. Just wanted to talk a little bit about the schedule and assignments. And again, if you have any questions or concerns, just let me know or post in the question and answer discussion section. Thanks for watching.